Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn how we can create a Google form, how to use a Google form, how to design a Google form. Google form helps you to store your data directly into an Excel sheet. Alright. So let me show you how we can create a Google form. First of all, you need to open google.com and you should log in with your email ID like I am already logged in, so that your all details you can manage your Google form through your email ID. You will be able to manage your Google form through your email ID. Open first Google form. Just type Google form. See this page, and first you will get the link. You have to open the first link, Google form free survey for personal use. Just open this. This is the page of Google form. This is the Google form page. Then you will go to Google Forms. Here you can see all the templates, inbuilt templates. You have access to all the inbuilt templates as well, and you can create your own personalized form as well. On already, like this is if you just need to collect information, contact information, then you have this ready-made form available. Let me show you. See, this is already ready to use form. Either you use this form or you can create your own according to your current requirement. You can also edit this form as well. So let's get back to the main page. This you already have access to some of the forms, party invite, t-shirt, sign up. You just need to use this form. If you want, you can directly use this form to collect the information, or you can make your own form as well. And to create your customized form, what do you need to do? Simply click on this plus. You can see there is a blank form written, it's plus sign. Just click on this plus. So this is a form. Here you can create your own customized form. This is the layout of your form. So first you need to decide what kind of form you want to make. I want to create a very simple form, but I will cover all the features of this form. So let's take a current example, like you are a supervisor and you are required to collect all the you are required to collect the data for Diwali gift distribution. So what all details you need on your form? So let's try to make a customized form for that. So let me give a title first. So you can give any name of this form. So I am creating a form for Diwali gift agent's name form. So let me write Diwali. So this is my form name. So I've given the form name Diwali gift agent's name. You can also give description for your form, like the below details to get your Diwali gift. First of all, what we need name. So where you can see this untitled question, so you will remove this and write name over here. Let's make this in capital. Alright. Thereafter you need to click on this. You have to select short answer. So you'll click on this short answer. If you want like this name increase compulsory to write, then you can enable this option. What will happen after this? It has to be filled. Once you enable this required option, then name will be mandatory to fill. If you want to delete your field, then you can delete with this one, and if you want to have a copy, then you can have a copy duplicate with this one. There are some more options as well. Click on this three dots. Description, if you want description, then you can write description also, like mention your full name. More option, response validation. See, it might happen when your agent writes something. What if he write a number? So you have to customize this thing, that number is not accepted. So you will click on this, and now text, you will select the text. Only answer written in text will accept. So you will select text from here. You can also customize your error here. If your agent do not write his name, then what error he should get. So you can simply mention here invalid name or entry. If he does not write his what if he start writing his mobile number in place of his name, so it will show invalid entry as an error. Need a new field, so just click on this plus sign. So now you can see one thing, this star is added on name. Why? Because it is mandatory to fill. Next, what detail we require? We need a mobile number. It's mandatory. So it is already selected. Sometimes Google is so smart, so it automatically selects your option like short answer. This must be short answer, so Google has automatically chosen this. So now mobile number. So here also you have option. If this field is mandatory, then you can enable this required option by clicking here. Right now, same like what we did in the previous one, prescription. If you have any, you can also customize. There is a more detail, response validation. Only number will select. If he writes text, then it will not select the text here, because like what we did in the previous one, we needed only text. Here we need numbers, so that's why I have selected text, because if he writes as by mistake text, then it will show him error, invalid entry. The same way you can select more options. I am clicking on add again, because you might need agent's address. So let me write full address. Alright, so see, here you can see Google has itself chosen paragraph, selected paragraph. So now we do not need to do anything else here. If you need more information, then you can select more information as well, like date. So you can see, as soon as I wrote date, then Google has itself given an option. Here there are so many options, date, time, you can select everything. Agent can select a date, month and year from this calendar as well. So this option is also there. So you can also give an option to upload file or some kind of data if you need. Just let me write file. Then there are options here file upload. So here you can see I've got the options to upload file as well. If you have some specific thing, then format, then you can enable this. It will show you some more of the details, what kind of file you are allowing to upload. Like if you are allowing document, spreadsheet, PDF, video, so you can customize your this file upload as well. If something you want only this particular things to upload, then you can select from here. If you want only PDF, then only click on PDF. Only this PDF will be allowed to be uploaded. I just chosen this one for to make you understand this option as well. There is a file option also. If you have some customized thing to upload, presentation, drawing, audio, message, then you can enable this one. Rest you can disable this. We do not need this option, so let me delete this one. You can also upload a video to show how a form can be filled. If you have something advanced to do, if you want some, if you think that your form is very difficult to fill, then you have an option. You can see this add video option also available. Just click on this. It will allow you to upload a video from YouTube. Let me search mine if I get it. See, I have got my video, Digi Xtreme introduction. Just need to click on this and select. So now you can see there is a video also come over this form, and here you can give the title. You can write here title, how to fill form. Once I click on add, then it will be added to my form. You can also enlarge the size of your video from this. Now let me show you how you can design this form. You can see there is a option here, customize themes. Just click over this. You will get option to design your form. You can see there are details here: header, theme color, background color, fonts are header. So choose an image. It is asking me to choose an image. Here you can see there are so many inbuilt images showing. Here you have options you need for birthday, food, dining, party, wedding, night out, so many things. Or you also have option to upload photos. So let me select any of them just to show you. Let's pick this one and then click on insert. So you can see this pic has come over your header. Now isn't it looking nice? You can also put your picture as well if you want. So you can also select this theme color as well. Now you can see this color is different. If you don't like this one, then you can select. There are other options as well, see. And once you click on this plus, you have more options to choose. And background color will always be similar to form color. You can make changes, but you have a limited option here. You can click on this if you like this. If you have one more option, this. So not much option for background, but this will provide you option according to your form color. And thereafter we have option for font style as well. So you can play around with the font style. There are so many. So if you change, then it will look different. See, it got changed by form style, text style. So let's make it to back to the previous one which we had done. After doing all this setting, you will close this option, go to settings. So here you can see in settings you can also make some changes. If you require to collect email ID, then you will enable this, and if you want send the responder a copy of their response, then you will on this. There is the option on off. If you want your form to be edited when agent will fill the form, then you can enable this. If they might write something wrong, then it will be editable. Limit one response. There are different things you can change. Show bar. If you like, you must have seen while filling form, sometimes it shows a bar that how much more is remained to fill, so it will show bar option also. Shuffle question, confirmation message. Here also you can edit your confirmation message, like SUC successfully submitted. Now save. Once you save, your all submitted forms will be seen in the responses. There is no form filled yet, that's why it is not showing any of the form, so it will be reflecting over here. And you, whenever you think your work is done, you don't want to accept any more submission of form, then you can disable this accepting responses. You need to click on this, it will be disabled. Then after this it won't be accepting any more responses. To select your Excel sheet to this form, you need to click on this. All detail will be stored on the Excel sheet as well. Let me write some name. Diwali gift. Either you create from this, create a new spreadsheet, or you can give a path for your existing spreadsheet. If you have any of your saved folder, then you can select this one. Okay, it will ask you to which for Excel sheet you want it to be saved. See, as soon as I selected, it is asking me the spreadsheet. So I have one already, you can see. We are done with everything. So now how you can send this form, click on send. Now you have option through email or through link. If you want a particular link, then click on this. Now you can see this link is very long, so click on shorten link. So now you have a short link, just need to copy and share this with your team. Once they will click on this, they will have a form to fill, and your data will be stored in a Excel sheet which you have selected from the given option. If you want to collect emails, then also click on this collect email option, and you have email option as well. Send if you want to send through email or Facebook, Twitter, there are some others. With this one, see, we have got our form. Rahul Kumar mobile number, address, anything. Now submit. See, we have got the message successfully submitted. We have got a notification here. One response submitted. Rahul Kumar, phone number and address as well. And this must be stored in a Excel sheet. Let me check this. See, it is already getting stored in an Excel sheet which I had selected. Time, name, mobile number, address, and date not filled. That's why it is not showing, because I had not given that customized thing that it should be mandatory to fill. That's why date is not showing. So like this, it is shared already. You can form will be saved in your Google Drive. So just let me click this. See, name is already, it has already taken the name, so it will be saved in your Google Drive. This form will be saved there. See, this is my Excel sheet, LSP candidates, and this is the Diwali form. You will open this to view the stored detail in Excel sheet. This is the sheet I had given. So today we learned how to create a Google form, how to use a Google form, how to design a Google form. This is all for today, guys. I know this video become a bit long, but I had to cover everything in a single video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.